Hello friend, मैं देवीदास Google Form Part 3. So you are welcome in the Part 3. But if you did not see the Part 2 and 1, please watch it. In this Part 3, I am going to tell you how to do the settings for the add-ons. Means add-ons available, extension, third party extension available for uh, this purpose. Okay, so I am taking here one form which is ready made. Okay, so friend, this is my form. So here we have to learn today how you can add the extension to these Google Forms for performing a different kind of activities. Okay, so there are many kind of extensions are available. So among that, which are important, so as in the next part, uh, I will explain that how to use it, but in this part we learn only how to install it. Okay, so this is my mobile screen, and the available parameters are like this. Okay, so here in these views you may not able to see, as see here is a add-ons. Okay, I click here. Once I click here, so you will find 1 2 3 4 parameter like email notification, form limiter, pictographers, and Timify me. So these are the four different third party application I have installed here on my forms. Okay, so but these four parameters is not available in your mobile. When you see that, you will not, it will not be appear in your mobile, so you should not worry about it. We have to install, then after it will appear on the site. Okay, for that purpose, first of all we have to change our mode. So it mobile into, we will change into our desktop mode. Okay, so just I am changing it. Okay, see here friends, so you will find here a desktop site. Okay, I will click here. So now my forms, all the view is changed. Initially the toolbar, see here, this toolbar which was available at the downside, now it is changed to this side, and some extra icons will be appearing here. So these are the different icons available here: setting, send, previews, and this is used for editing the headers. Okay, and then this one. So this icon is particularly used, or it shows the extension added. See here, that extension which was available in the mobile format, so it is available here in this. Why I have taken? Because from here today will you can add many extension, but among them, so we will learn only, I will show you here one third party application how to install and how to use there. So starting from installation, so what I will do, I will re means uninstall the one application and I will show you. This is the time limiters. Okay, so this is mostly used third party applications for giving a time limit for the these Google Forms. Okay, so what to do, first of all we'll go there. So okay, I click here, and after that I click on the time limiter. So once I click here, so it will show the application time limit. Okay, like that. So but what we have to do here, okay, so we don't want the uses, we want to means uninstall. Then we have to go. Okay, so we have to go here, click here, then from there you have to click here on the, that is, so we'll click here. So I will click here on the three dot, then here come here, this is add-ons. We have to click on the add-ons, then one window will be opening here. Okay, see this is the one window opened here. So here it is a G Suite marketplace, means many third party applications are available. From here you can take number of, as per the requirement you can select anyone and you can install. Okay, so today's our target is that so I am going to show you the time limiter. So see here, the time limiter you will find at this time limiter. Okay, so time limiter it is given, I will highlight and show you installed, it will show the install. So what I have to do, I will means what I will do, I will means uninstall and show you. So I have to uninstall, so click here, I will uninstall it. Once the installation process complete, then for the reinstallations, so what we have to do, see here I am uninstalling, it may take a time. Okay, so here one message came at the bottom, so confirm uninstallation of home limiter. So are you sure you want to uninstall this? So I here uninstall, just for showing purpose I am uninstalling this, uninstall now. Okay, so once it is uninstalled, then you will find so it is not appear, means that icons or the small lines time limiter will disappear from there. So let us go back and I will show you. I cut from here. Okay, then I will show you here. So this is our uh, time limiter. See here, initially you know that, so under this icon, so there were the four third party application: email, notification, pictographer and Timify me. So before the pictographers, that time limiter was there. Okay, so what we have to do now, so I want to reinstall it. Okay, because that is the applications how to install and reinstall, so it is helpful for us. That's the reason I am showing you. So once again you go here on the small three dots. Okay, then click on the add-ons. Once you click on the add-ons, one window will open. Okay, now that window is opening, and see here the same application is coming here. Okay, see this is new version, it is coming. So form limiter for public school. Okay, click here. Once we click, then check that all the things on the top bar, you will find one install, like one message will come install. So I will click here install. Okay, and then the message will come get ready to install. So continue, click on the continue button, and once we continue, so it will redirect to our is accounts. Why? Because so every time he has to send some message to the email, so I select the account here first. Okay, and once we select the account, then we have to permit it. So it asks the permissions, so all permission you give and click on the allow. Okay, now once you allow that, see here, so it is processing now, installation is processing. Okay, so the form limiter has been installed, then you have to click on the done, means that process is over. Once the done is over, so then this kind of one another window will be open here. So see here that I am showing you here this window. So in this window I will take it up here. So this window is appear form limiter. Okay, save and enable, means this is useful. Suppose for example select here form limiter started working. So in that date time you can set, number of responses you can set. Okay, so this you can set, and afterward you have to save it. For the present form, suppose for example I want the number of responses, like I want only 10. Okay, number of responses, I click here. So 10 responses only I want, so I wrote 10. Then the next one is, so the date and time. Next is the date and time. So here I have to enter the date. Okay, so here is a date. So calendar is there, I here click the date. Once the date is been clicked, so click on the time. Okay, anytime you just set it. Okay, so just to show you that I am doing this. Okay, anyway, now save it. The time setting is also over. Just save. So set, and after setting only the save button will appear. Okay, so as it is in the desktop mode, so I am facing problem. Okay, anyway, now this is started functioning. So just come back, and now I will come back. So minimize or come out from this window. Okay, this is our form, and check that extension, is it there or not. So I will see here, see form limiter came. So initially there was 3, so now it is fourth one appearing here. So this way you can install the and this different kind of third party application to overcome or to get a different work which is as per your requirement. Okay, so this way Teamify also you can do in the same ways, and you can use in your form for just giving the times, means reminder of the examinations. Okay, thank you. This way you can just go and add the many application for the betterment, or to use the Google form in the better way. Thank you for listening this. Thank you.